All right, so in this video, we are required to find the value of x if p is equal to 1 over 2 and 1 over p minus 1 is equal to 2 over p plus x. Now, to be able to solve this problem, we need to eliminate p so that we'll be able to get x. So what does that imply? It implies that wherever we find p in this particular equation, we replace it with 1 over 2. And for those of you that avoid the video on that arithmetic where we dealt with BODMAS and the likes, I explain certain techniques because that will be applied here. Because algebra is actually an extension of arithmetic. So now let's go straight to the solution. So in this case, I'm going to be writing this like this. This one cannot be written as 1 over, so wherever I have p, I put 1 over 2. That's 1 over 2 minus 1. So this one is 1 over 1. Right, is equal to what? 2 over what? P. That is 1 over 2 plus what? X. So this is x over 1. So what we need to do here basically is this is the numerator. So this numerator is standing on its own. So I have to evaluate this denominator separately. So for this particular side, I'll find the LCM. The LCM here is 2. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 1 times 1, 1 minus 1 in 2, that is 2. 2 times 1, that is what? 2. Also, for this other side, okay, let me finish this first. So 1 minus 2 will give me minus 1 over 2. So that is that about that. So that is for the denominator. So this is all I have here. So for this other side too, we're going to be finding the LCM. The LCM here is 2. So 2 into 1, 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 times x, that is 2x. So so the whole of this is 1 plus, so this one is still 1 plus 2x divided by 2. So if I want to rewrite what I have on this side, I'm going to be having 1 over minus 1 over 2. Right, is equal to what? 2 over what? 1 plus 2x over what? Over 2. So what I'm going to do now is, you have to be very careful. This 1 divided by minus 1 over 2, you have to make reference to the original equation, how it was established. This 1 is a separate entity on its own. So if I want to rewrite it, I'm going to be writing it as what? 1 divided by minus 1 over 2, not 1 divided by minus 1 then divided. So you can see that this is a long division, so it's very important. So then let me just put this in brackets. Yeah, so is equal to what? 2, right, divided by, right, 1 plus 2x over what? 2. So I put this in bracket again. So I think we are good to go. So at the end of it, what we are going to be having here is 1. We transform this to multiplication, that's times 2 over minus 1, right, will now be equal to what? 2 times 2 over 1 plus what? 2x, okay? So at the end of it, we are going to be having 1 times 2, that is 2, right, divided by minus 1 will now be equal to 2 times 2, that is 4 over 1 plus what? 2x. So what do we need to do? We cross multiply to get the value of s. So if we cross multiply, we are going to be having what? 2 into bracket 1 plus 2x will now be equal to minus 1 times what? 4. All right, so 2 times 1, that is 2. Then 2 times 2x, that is plus 4x. Will now be minus 1 times 4, that is minus what? 4. So we collect like terms. We have 4x will now be minus 4. This is plus 2. If coming here, will now be minus 2. So we have 4x will now be minus 4 minus 2. That is what? Minus what? 6. So to get the value of x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So if we divide by the coefficient of x, we have x will now be equal to minus 6 over 4. So what is minus 6 over 4? 2 in minus 6, that is minus 3. Then 2 in 4, that is what? 2. So we have minus 3 over 2. So this can be written as minus into brackets 3 over 2. So let's close our eyes to the minus. So we have minus, how many 2 can we see in 3? That is 1, right? Remainder something over 2. So 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. That is one whole number minus one whole number 1 over 2. So we can bring the minus back. So that is that about that. So the final solution to this problem is minus one whole number 1 over 2. I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share and comment. And if you have anything to use in supporting what we do, please find the description below to see the necessary details. I'll be looking forward to receiving from you. See you in the next video. Thank you.